Okay friends, just open your settings application, then select connected devices, then scroll up, then select smartthings. I'm not connected to my device to network, so you must turn on your mobile network or your Wi-Fi. Okay, select again the sections, smartthings. Okay, then it's the first time, so you need to agree those things. Give the permissions. You can see here control your devices like you can control your smart things in your rooms like bulb, fan, or any curtains, something like. Okay, just tap on continue, then give the permissions to access those things like microphones, locations, and other things. Okay, if you agree, you can add your smart things on that page. It's very useful and eco-friendly options on Samsung Galaxy. So that's guys. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.